Okay, class, the next thing we're going to do today is learn how to attach documents in different ways to email using Gmail. So the first thing is log on to your Gmail account, and you're going to click on Compose, which is to compose an email. And up pops a window that looks something like this. You'll notice the to field, the carbon copy, the blind carbon copy, subject, and then at the bottom you'll notice a range of formatting tools. So we'll work with this in the future, but here's your formatting toolbar. Click on that and you'll see different options for formatting. Then next to that you'll see a paperclip, which is to attach files. This generally is to attach files that are saved to your computer. The next option over is inserting files from your Google Drive. So again, this one is a file saved to your computer. This one is a file saved to your Google Drive. Here we have a send and request money, which is a newer feature that Google's been developing. Insert a photo, or create a link, like a link to a website or your emojis. So today we're going to work with these two, attach files and insert files. Now click on the paperclip, and that will pop a dialog window. And if you recall, we saved our riddle or file here, our PDF, right here under Documents. So click on Documents, find the file name, click on that. You can either double click on it, or you can just highlight it and then click OK. And that should attach. Now you see your document loading. The other way to attach a document is from your Google Drive. Right, now you notice here it now shows that the icons changed. You can still click on it and attach more files. Now we're going to click on Google Drive, and you can search for it by name. You can look for documents that are shared with you, or you can look for documents that you recently used, or you can upload a document to your Google Drive and then use it. So we're going to first click on here, Recent, and we're going to find our dog riddle and click on Insert. So now we have our dog riddle inserted there and our PDF of the dog riddle inserted here. Add in your period email. Add subject is your name. Again, we're making these searchable because we're using our professional business or email format. Your name and dog riddle. When you have the address in there correctly, you have your name and the title of the document. You have both attachments. Go ahead and hit send. And that's the end of the lesson.